Right, hello, this is a quick video on how to do part two of the buildings and people cutouts. I'll share the screens, you can see what I'm talking about. We are going to first go to stencil people, and what you're doing is doing the whole thing of the trick I showed you before. So you type in person, stencil person, tools, size, large, so get the ones that are big. That's a great one there. So I'll grab that. Make sure there is no copyright over the top of it, otherwise it'll come out all funny. Right mouse click, copy image, and then you open that in your Photoshop. I'll share that screen now. Right, so what we've got is, here's my picture of that you've taken yourself of the landscape, and we're going to be putting these people into it. But what we're going to be doing is we're going to be cutting them out and putting in newspaper on the inside. So it's a little bit difficult. That's why this is part two. I talked about it briefly in part one, but here is more detailed of that. So first up, file, new. Because we've already copied it on Google Images, it should, when it cranks up, already have that size on there. Here it comes. And so what we're doing is just doing the clipboard one there, create, and it's of the appropriate size. Okay, so then it is edit, paste, and there's all your little people. All right, cool. Now, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be rubbing those guys out, putting in a piece of newspaper behind, and having that being a hole there. So what we do first is we don't want all of that happening, so we're going to go to the whole thing of cropping those down to get our person. Hit the tick up the top here, and there's our person there. We have over on this far side here, I'm going to make a new layer. So we go new layer, grab that, put that underneath, and we're going to put our newspaper on here. So I'll stop sharing this one. I'll go back to our Google image search, and here is newspapers. Once again, same trick, tools, size, large. Grab one you like, wait for it to load up at the bottom here. Here it is here. Right mouse click, copy image, and we open that one up in Photoshop again. Okay, cool. So we're going to paste that onto that layer. And it's now underneath. Working on our top layer again, remember it's gray is the one we're working. For this, you just hold down on the eraser. You go to Magic Eraser tool, click on the black. There's now a hole there where you can move the newspaper underneath. If I actually click on the move tool, and you can resize it, you can do whatever you like and get that all underneath there. Right, when you're happy with it, you have to do the whole thing of going, clicking up here, and we tick first to resize it, and then you have to merge all those layers, merge visible, and now it's all one layer. That's important bit. Okay, so we're going to copy this guy and take him across, but what we want is we don't want that background. So what we're doing is getting the magic wand tool. Now, actually, there's another way of doing this. I'm going to turn off the lock. I'm going to use the same tool we did before, which is the magic eraser tool. If I click on the black here, I'll show you what's going to happen. It's going to rub out some of the newspaper. It won't be totally 100% same, but it will kind of merge in. You can do it like that, or another way of doing it. No, let's just go with that. So select the whole thing, edit, copy, go back to the picture, edit, paste, and there's our little guy. Now, because I got him being low resolution, he looks a bit pixelated, but you can make it bigger. You can do a whole bunch of people and put a whole bunch of newspaper people on there. Quick and nasty video. There you go. Thank you.